was too hyperactive, I think. Hi. So right now I'm in a trial room. I had to tell you guys that I've started my Boston shopping and I wanted to take you guys along. But before that, before I change into my fits, some of my fits that I bought, I thought I should show you my outfit. I'm wearing this black top, pants. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had to tell you guys that right now I'm coming back from H&M and I have to tell you it's so beautiful. It's near Manyuta Tech Park. Anyway, I have to tell you guys that I went and tried out some silhouettes and I really liked it, and so I thought I could put on some clips about that, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. I will see you guys soon.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I